Hey guys, today I'm with my friend Bryce.
And I hacked White's account.
No, you didn't.
Just kidding.
Yeah, I got it back. I got it back.
Yeah, he got it back from me, so he's like really mad at me.
Yeah.
So it's like
Hashtag lying.
Wyatt, we are not lying.
Type in the comments hashtag lie.
Who cares about the comments? The comments suck. Everyone give him a thumbs down.
Come on, no.
If you give him a thumbs down, I'll give you a free auto of Rudolph Yankovic.
This is just annoying. This is just annoying! How is that gonna sound? What the laggy?
Hector, he won! Woo! Touchdown!
I won! Touchdown! Why am I so tall?
I don't know.
I tried to say annoying. This is literally the highest point. This is literally the highest point you can get to. Yeah.
Why is she stuck in there?
Uh-oh. What the laggy? What the laggy?
Move. Use code Laser in the item shop. He is the best Fortnite player that you can ever live with.
Oh my god. Help! I'm not used to mobile games. Stop! You're pushing me!
What is mobile game? Seven, 6, 5, 4.
I'm the one making that tornado gun to get respect on my stream.
If you're a scooter kid, you're really horrible.
Yes.
If you skateboard, I give you an absolute thumbs up.
Yes.
And I like to show scooter kids up my butt.
Don't say
no
that.
doubt about that.
Hey, sing your rap, you serious skaters. Sing your rap, boys.
No.
Oh, I just got up here.
What's the highest point?
Look. Stop. You kept spamming stop, so.
Alright.
H road, guys.
Oh, what did you do? Did you do it?
I just said H road.
What?
I just said H word. Because if you say that word, you know you'll get banned from YouTube.
Right.
How will I survive on this? But it's impossible.
Oh!
It's impossible!
Oh. That was impossible, guys.
Yes.
That's
impossible!
There's no winners.
Yeah.
You almost won, Wyatt.
Yes. And by the way, my name is Wyatt, actually.
And he's 7 years old, and
yeah.
he is really good.
Yes, and Bryce is 8, and he's not, and I'm better than him at skating.
No, well,
I started 2 months ago.
No, he didn't. He's lying.
I actually did.
No, he. You can ask his brother.
What the laggy?
That's 12.
What the laggy? What the laggy?
Turn it too.
I tried I said say yes if you're ugly. Oh! 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 I am the one with Bryce, but I don't need a. Okay.
And by the way, my name is Bryce.
Yes.
Hashtag A Best Fortnite Player. If you want to check out my YouTube channel.
I don't. What's your link?
It is called Poop Master 135.
Oh yeah. Just put Poop Master 135 in the comments, and you will get an automatic shout out. Say hashtag. Say hashtag Poop Master 135 is the best YouTuber in the universe. And you get 26,000 shout outs.
And I get $1,000 each video because that's how much subscribers I have. And I'm pretty much rich because I have gold.
Hey. You can make it do that.
You hear me? I'm fighting.
Talk in the mic. We can't hear you. You have to talk. You have to talk in the mic, Bryce, so they can hear you.
I am the one of the king that's only the.
You have to talk in the mic. They can't hear you. Oof. Okay. I guess that works. You just have to say oof.
If you want to take an oof on your mom, boy.
Oof.
That's what I just did.
Oof. Oof. I don't know how that's good.
Oof, 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 oof.
Hell. But that's too quiet. O A B C D E F G H I J K L middle P Q R S U V W X Y and Z U. No, wait, this will be funny. I'm not gonna say next. O A B C D E F U. Okay, I done 3-1. Okay,